guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Skincare Sunday. Today's Skincare Sunday is really special because it is all about Halloween, really cool skincare. So I'm gonna be sharing some skincare with you guys and playing around with some skincare with you guys because I just thought this was so cool, and there were so many really cool pieces of skincare that I wanted to share with you, especially some products from Grace and Stella. So Grace and Stella is sponsoring this video. I'm going to be sharing 2 of their products with you guys. They're a little bit spooky, so get ready. And if you want to learn how to get some great skin after all the makeup from October, then keep on watching. First things first, you guys, I'm going to take some of my IT Cosmetics Miracle Water, micellar water. I'm just going to use this to like clean up my face. So the first product from Grace and Stella is this guy. This is a facial cupping set. Let's open this up and let's see. Oh, how cute. It's in like its own little baggie. So inside this we have a little, I always say this wrong, but I'm gonna say jojoba oil, and we're just gonna take like a drop or 2 and place it on our skin. So cupping is like, it looks a little scary, but it's really good to help circulate the blood around our face and keep it nice and plump. So there's a bunch of different sizes. Obviously the smaller ones are for smaller areas and the bigger ones are for bigger areas. So we're gonna use like an upward circular motion. So the big cup is for bigger areas. Whoa! We have the little guy. The next product I'm going to use, these are the Pumpkin Hydra and Peeling Duo Pads from Too Cool for School. I saw these on Riley Rose and I was like, oh my god, they're so cute. We need to use them. Alright guys, so now we're going to use the second product from Grace and Stella. This is their Blackhead Removal Kit. Spooky. It comes in this really pretty like tin. When you open it up, you have 2 blackhead removing tools. So one is like a tweezer and the other is what gets the blackheads out. Let's zoom you in for this. So first you use this guy at the bottom. And the way that I like to remove my blackheads is I usually like to do it around my nose. I just pull. You could see a little. So I really like to get them around my nose, so I just hold the skin taut and then take this and pull. You can see all the gross little stuff that this got out. Ew! And then this other little tool that's in here, if need be, you would use this to extract it. But I think for today, we didn't really need it. So once I've extracted everything from my face, and I feel comfy to move on to the next step, I have a really cool mask to share with you guys. So this is the Bat Eye Mask with Centella Honey Fermented Essence. How cute is this? It's so cute. It's basically like an eye mask. So we're gonna keep this on for a while. Let's open this up. I love anything I'm in need of. This is officially the cutest eye mask I've ever put on my face. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for about like 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll be back. We're not gonna use this one today, but I also wanted to share this one with you guys. This one is super, super cute. Similar to the Bat, except this one is a blackhead remover and it looks like a little cat's nose. So cute. So I have 2 masks here. I have a Pumpkin Latte Hydration Mask, and then I have the Summer Fridays Overtime Mask. This one is clearly pumpkin. This one I heard smells like pumpkin. I want to try both and see how they kind of sit on my skin. This smells like pumpkins. Oh, baby. So this guy I'm gonna put on my cheeks. This literally smells like pumpkin. Pumpkin. Actually, exactly what it says, pumpkin latte. So now we're gonna use the Summer Fridays mask on the rest of our face. This one smells like pumpkins too. This one, it wants me to massage it in. It's got little beads in it. All right, so I'm gonna leave these on for like 20 minutes. And I'm gonna come back and we're just gonna take it all off and we're gonna have brand new skin. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna take this off. Then I'm gonna take my Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration from First Aid Beauty. Guys, when I tell you my skin has taken an absolute beating, it has. This Halloween, it has just taken an absolute beating. And last but not least, we can't forget about our lips because my lips are very dry. Very, very dry from all of the lipstick, lip swatches, everything. So this is the Burt's Bees Pumpkin Spice Lip Balm. And guys, that is it for this skincare routine. Just playing around with a bunch of pumpkin-y stuff, some spooky stuff, just some skincare, you know? But that's all I have for today's skincare video. Thank you so much to Grace and Stella for sponsoring this video and letting me try out some of their spooky skincare. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that you're having an absolutely amazing month. I cannot believe we are at the end of October and we're done. We're basically completed. We did it. We did it. So we gotta get our skin back to normal, and I hope this helps you stay a little festive, but also get our skin back to normal. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of this screen, and check out all of my other skincare Sunday videos and Halloween videos right here on the side. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.